Hey guys and girls, YouTube, Sailor Man here, and I noticed a lot of you listening to my videos lately, and you hear snoring in the background. I showed y'all this one time before. Oh no, he ain't gonna snore. It's my brother-in-law. Snoring now. Maybe I teabag his ass. Um, he uh, he stays at our house during. Oh, there he goes. So, but like yesterday, he was really getting into it. He stays at our house during the week nowadays. My mother-in-law and father-in-law moved, and he goes to something called the Sunshine House, where he goes during the day and stuff. He's has bipolar, but he doesn't work. He's on disability, so he goes there and they take care of him during the day. So the little bus comes here to pick him up, and so during the week he hangs out here because they live far away and they won't go that far to go pick him up. So if you hear somebody snoring on the couch when I'm doing my videos, it's Kevin. All right, guys, be good.